Do you know that the name Asante or Ashanti is the only kingdom or state and the most popular name used by many Africans in the diaspora and Europeans, including Jamaicans? Do you know that the names Asante and Ashanti are unique because they are associated with one of the most influential kingdoms in Africa, the Asante Kingdom? This kingdom is not only renowned for its rich history and culture, but also for its powerful symbolism and unity. This distinctiveness is why the name is popular among Africans in the diaspora and is used across continents, including Europe and Africa, symbolizing the enduring influence and prestige of the Asante Kingdom. The name Asante is of Akan origin from Ghana, where it signifies "because of war" in the